Hey, you guys, this is Megan McLover. And as you know, I do a lot of recorded affirmations for my private clients. And I also do some words of encouragement for, friends and family. But God put it on my heart that perhaps I should do one for people who do not have direct access to me. And so here it is. In times like these, sometimes we forget to breathe. When things have gotten so bad and have gotten completely out of hand, we forget to do the one thing that is natural, the one thing that is automatic, the one thing that you've been doing since the beginning of time. Breathe. So I just want to bring to your attention today your breath. Bring to your attention that as you are breathing, you are not just taking in air and exhaling oxygen. You are aligning yourself, your mind, your body, and your spirit with the divine. As you are breathing, you want to remember that God is as close to you as your very breath. And when it seems so dark, when you're dealing with loss, you're dealing with grief, you're dealing with pain, dealing with shame, we tend to clench up and hold our breath, trying to squeeze and maintain. But in this moment, I want you to let go. Relax your hands. Let your shoulders drop. Lean back. Take a breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. Take another breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. In through your nose. Let the air go through down your throat, into your chest, all the way down into your belly. Expanding the belly out. And when you allow that air to exit your body, I want you to imagine it grabbing some of the shame, grabbing some of the guilt, grabbing some of the hurt and the pain, scraping the sides of your heart and the sides of your lungs and the sides of your rib cage and pulling some of that stain out of your body with every breath. And you push that air out. Push it out, push it out, push it out. Because God is as close to you as your very breath. Healing is in the breath. And I know as you are living your life or trying to live your life, as you are trying to focus and you are trying to make things make sense, I know that it's hard. I know that it's rough. I know that it is unbearable at times. I recognize that. But I promise you it won't hurt forever. It won't be this excruciatingly painful forever. Emotions are like the motion in the ocean. It's like waves. They come in and they go out. When the tide is high, the emotions are high. When the tide is low, the emotions are low, a little more sporadic. So what I want you to remember is I want you to remember to breathe. Breathe before you get angry. Breathe before you say what you want to say or think you should say. Breathe before you react. Breathe before you think that thought, that negative comment about yourself. Breathe before you regret. Breathe before you have resentment. Just take a breath. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Don't allow your past to clench you up so tight that you forget the one thing that keeps you alive, which is breathing. I want you to repeat after me. I am safe. I am loved. I am peace. I am joy. I am okay. I am breathing. And repeat it over and over and over again until it becomes automatic, until you're breathing without pain, you're breathing without shame, without guilt, without grief, knowing that emotions come and they go. It will come back, but you allow it to come and allow it to go. One breath at a time. You don't have to worry about doing a whole bunch of this and that and the other right now. All you have to do is take your next breath. I am happy. I am safe. I am peace. I am love. I am joy. I am okay. I am breathing. I am peace. I am love. I am safe. I am okay. I am breathing. I am peace. I am love. I am safe. I am okay. I am breathing.